Welcome back to Acker Studio, your ultimate destination for captivating and innovative home design ideas.
Introducing the 6-square house, designed by Bryan Young, located in Bridgehampton, New York, on 1.6 acres, part of the Hamptons community. The house innovatively combines 6 gabled modules with undulating roofs, creating a contemporary residence that nods to traditional architecture while offering unique interior and exterior spaces. The design concept. The residence comprises 6 gabled modules, aligning roof ridges for continuity while the eaves create varied, undulating surfaces, both inside and outside. Materials and appearance. Clad in deep gray Acacia wood, the house's striated exterior enhances the roofscape's dynamic edges and arcs. The use of engineered woods complements the historic farmhouse's aesthetic but presents a contemporary appearance. Integration and purpose. The house serves as the primary residence, accompanied by a historic farmhouse turned guest home, a new pool house, and a deck, positioning itself as the property's central nucleus. Architectural approach. Young projects aimed to create a contemporary structure that subtly referenced Long Island's historic architecture, reimagining a traditional barn typology into an elegant and innovative home. Spatial organization. The 6 modules encircle a triangular courtyard, strategically dividing different functional areas such as living spaces, bedrooms, kitchen, porch, and garage. Each module offers distinct views of the surrounding landscape. Interior dynamics. The interior spaces emphasize a blend of modules while maintaining their unique identities. The irregular roofscape influences the undulating flow of ceilings, creating visually intriguing spaces. Material palette. Neutral, organic tones define different spaces: black and platinum gray for exteriors, ochre-hued cedar for indoor, outdoor zones, and alabasters and whites for the interior. Overall balance. The design exhibits a balance between its geometric logic and integration with the site, offering an innovative yet connected living experience. The six-square house creatively blends contemporary design with a nod to traditional typologies, forming a cohesive yet distinct residential space that harmonizes with its surroundings.